San Bruno Caltrain station.
Yes, it does.
Oh, it's holeless. Oh boy. Mmm, yummy. Oh.
Anyway, let's just take a second to
Can we breathe?
appreciate this cab.
Someone wanted the certificate frame. B. Man, I thought it was gonna be low on oil.
There's a Caltrain platform.
Double interlocks.
This thing seems to be pretty new too. It's already like destroyed.
Go again. Those buttons feel so loose. Like barely push. Door close button doesn't work. I don't like that. Doesn't sound very good. Yeah, this thing is disgusting. Look how small the piston is. Oh, it's telescoping.